Jamaica is sitting in the middle of the Caribbean Sea like a condemned prisoner about to be executed. Mother Nature is the judge. Mother Nature banged the gavel and sentenced Jamaica to be devastated by Hurricane Melissa. I do not like Melissa. I am not dating Melissa. Do you want to be dating Melissa? Well, you're on your own. Tell me about the date when it's finished. So we're out here in the eastern parish of St. Thomas, Yallahs, St. Thomas. You can see people here doing their last minute shopping while doom is looming. Is Jamaica going to be blown off the map? Is Jamaica going to be destroyed? Is it going to be a category 1, category 2, category 4, or is it good? This is the hurricane. This is Melissa. Melissa is going crazy and I got to leave right now. Look at these people doing their last minute shopping. I wonder what they are getting. I see crackers, I see people buying tin food, tin goods, I see people buying water. But I am leaving, taking myself to safety. Another section of the eastern parish, the most easterly parish of Jamaica. And as we can see right here, look at the waves. They are going crazy. They are going bananas. This looks very dangerous. I hope you all are inside, but I'm here give. This is Hurricane Melissa. It seems like it is finally, well, it has arrived, or is it not? Look at those waves. Those are like about, I don't know, maybe it's about 10 feet. Hurricane Melissa is Melissa-ing. Hurricane Melissa seems menacing. Right now it's another update. We're right here on the seaside, looking at the sea swelling. The sea looks angry. The sea looks like it's ready to devour someone. And I don't want to be devoured. So I'm not gonna stay here for too long. But I am braving the wave to do it for you. Of course, it's Tropical Nomad TV and I live in the tropics, and this is a tropical system. Well, initially it was a tropical storm, now it has developed into a hurricane. I don't know what category it is, but whatever category it is, look at the sea. Normally the sea is, the water looks blue and nice. Right now it looks angry. You'd want to swim inside this, but I don't know if you'd want this water to even touch you. They say that when a hurricane is taking place, the earth is cleansing itself. Right now, I'm here and it feels very warm. I think I need to leave right now because things are about to get really nasty. And I'm gonna go. I'm gonna take myself to safety right now. All right, so I am here back in Kingston, back to my comfort zone. But is there any comfort while I am waiting for Melissa, the dangerous Melissa? Kingston City over there is preparing to be battered. Alright, so I'm giving you a better shot of me in the sea. Not literally though. See right here. Oh, there is the east, and that's where the Melissa is coming from. And the sky looks dark out there. It looks angry. It looks like it's about to take someone wherever it's going. So I am in Kingston proper right now, and I hope the prisoners are safe over by GP. I don't even remember what it changed to, but back then it was General Penitentiary. Now I think it's Tower Street Adult Correctional Facility. I hope the prisoners are preparing for the hurricane. And in the meantime, behind me, you can see those birds. They look fearful. They don't look as enthusiastic as they normally do. They seem like they're anticipating that something is about to happen. I wish I was able to ask them. Well, I can ask them, bird, wagwan. Well, sadly, when they communicate, I don't know what they're saying, and I don't know if they can understand what I am saying. So for now, this is what Kingston looks like, well, on my arrival, or should I say my entrance into Kingston. And if you don't believe that I am in Kingston, come look at this. Look at this wall. Kingston. Alright, so I am here in Kingston, like I said earlier, and I can see that the fisher folk has taken precaution. They have secured, at least tried to secure their boats. So it's tied on to this. I don't know what this is called, but they have clearly secured their boats. Of course, they need to do this because I want seafood. And when the hurricane is finished, I need to have food, and I love, you know, the snapper, the parrot, all these fish. Preparation is on in earnest. The Sandy Gully is being cleaned. Look at this. This probably has not been done in years. Well, I don't know. I am just saying. But right here, it doesn't smell so good. I need to leave here quickly. Normally, when it rains, especially when it rains heavily, the bridge is sometimes almost covered. But right now they are cleaning it in preparation for Melissa arriving here soon. Melissa is on a collision course with Jamaica. And did I say it's one? Did I say it's two? Or category, well, category 1, category 2, category 3, category 4, category 5? Or is this going to break the Saffir-Simpson scale and go to category something else? That's not possible though. Anyway, it's time for me to remove myself from here and not get executed when Jamaica gets executed. Or should I go and have my last meal? I wonder what's gonna be my last meal. Is it gonna be a burger? Is it gonna be some cake? I don't know. Or maybe that I'm in Jamaica, I'm gonna have a coconut or some jerk chicken. Alright, so Jamaicans are in love with KFC. The hurricane is almost here, and it seems like Jamaicans are stocking up on KFC. Look at the line for the drive-thru. Look at it. Line is long, and then inside KFC there are persons there waiting for chicken. I might just decide to indulge too. I feel like I want to have a piece of chicken. If you want to have a piece of chicken in the middle of the hurricane, go on a date with Melissa and eat KFC. Please subscribe to the channel. And by the way, like the video, leave a comment. Do you prefer a meal deal, a big deal? You want spicy, you want barbecue, or you want original? KFC on a date. Normally, you wouldn't take your girlfriend to KFC, or you wouldn't take your spouse, because just in case you're a woman watching, you know it would be the other way around. So you wouldn't take your spouse or your love interest to KFC. But right now, on a date with Melissa, and the meal is KFC. Alright, so I'm here inside this gas station. Well, I guess no gas is being sold, because right here we can see the pumps being plastic wrapped. So I don't know what effect that's gonna have. Well, I guess they have digital equipment right here, so they don't want those to get wet. And also, you look over here, you see that it's all boarded up, looking like they are very much well prepared. And look at these residents. Surprisingly, these residents seem very cozy, and you have a few more of them over here. Hopefully they will stay safe in the storm. Also, Like I said, the place is all boarded up. And I guess it's time for me to do my boarding up. So let me take my leave and go home. I've said that a few times, but this time I think I am serious. I'm going home.
We're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions.